It was one touchy, tricky bugger too, I'll tell you, because it was real tough to get the inside. Come on, behave. You can figure this out. The inside grommet was so difficult to get. It was, well, see if I can get a better purchase on it. There it is. It's trying to focus on it now. Yeah, it's the inside one next to the frame. Oh my God, was that hard to do. It was nothing easy, I'm telling you. I got scuff marks on here too. Ooh-wee. But it's on there. Now, look at her. Is she cool? Yep, we're all set. We got everything hooked up underneath. We've got the new gas line hooked on without the filter, and it goes right directly to the petcock, so that should be better. Now, these I'll tighten up the rest of the way, and we should be good to go. But what I did to make sure that there's no way that this front fork could twist and hit the tank, I came up with this idea between the mower and the bungee cord. I said, you ain't going nowhere, Bella. You're gonna sit your ass happy. And I've got on this big ass lift, which is a precarious fucker on its best day, but it does work great. And whoo! Now to put some fuel in the gas tank without spilling it on the fucking tank, I'm gonna make sure that we're gonna do something about this to make sure I can't fuck. Fuel is in the gas tank. I had to do some modifications, so it's a good thing I bought Andy a brand new one. I had to castrate this son of a bitch, because there's no way you could get see, it's got that little keeper on there and it wouldn't fit down inside the gas tank. Oh, I didn't know if this was gonna work very well, but actually, you know something? It did fine. I'm glad to have it now. Holy shit, there's all kinds of carnage laying around here. Oh my God. Well, we got the grommets in, we got the gas tank on. That don't see it leaking anywhere, praise Jesus. So now we got to start old Bella, and let's see where the bear shits in the buckwheat. More carnage. I made this special little adaptation. You obviously put the gas in here, and this shields the tank of any spills if they do happen, because once they start, well, you know what we are, we're fucked. So we can't have any of that foolishness. You have to think ahead as best you can. Not always are you gonna be able to avoid calamities, but you gotta do your best. Get shit out of the way. I can probably start her right up on there. That shouldn't be a problem at all. I get some more of this shit out the way. Boy, those nice pads from Kent Tominski come in handy. Oh, those bastards are nice, rather than on your knees on there. All right, what shape are we in? What shape are we in? Let's put it into some opta. We are in neutral. That's a good sign. All right, a little bit of chokeroni, and let's try it. No wonder. You gotta turn the gas on, old boy. Now try old Bella. those were the little nuts going around. That's what that was. Made a funny noise though. Well, we'll look into it. Little things, but it runs. All right, turn the gas back off. Humble, yes, oh boy. We'll get her parked because there's no reason to take her anywhere. All right, not till we gotta go to see Daniel, because just even moving it with these fucked up brakes, oh God, it just makes a horrible sound. That's not to worry, we got all brand new parts right in here. We did it, bless Jesus, we did it. Well, that'll do it, guys. Oh, it wasn't easy. You ought to try putting new grommets on and get the gas tank to mount in the front. Whoo, you ain't lived till you tried that bullshit. Oh, there ain't nothing fun about that. That is not, you're 2-3 hours of really wondering how in the fuck you're gonna do this. And I had to do a little squonkifying. I massaged the piss out of one of them grommets to make sure that fucker went in there. It's in there, plus Jesus, it's in there. All right, let's get the little puppy out of the sunshine. Oh, speaking of sunshine, it was so fucking hot here the other day. When I opened up this back trunk, pa-bam-o, blew this fucking thing right off. Blew it right off of there. Got caught, but it doesn't do it now. Because I got some of the best people in the world to help me do things. Absolutely do. Benny Smith, and we got Doug Coons. Yeah, we had Daniel. We got some ass-kicking, wonderful people that God has provided for me, because I can't do all this shit myself. But if I had the tools, I got news for you. I'd be on this motherfucker. I'd have that apart if I knew how to put it back together, and we'd have them brakes on, and then Bella would be all set. But I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm not gonna fuck with it. Bye-bye, everybody.